The video shows you the whole process of slitting line working. Machine capacity. Material thickness, 1 mm width, 1,250 meters. Orientation and feeding arrangements around the brush. Enhancing subshear accuracy. Separating the steel sheet which after slitting. Recoil the finished product which after slitting. Coil winding tension and winding speed both can be adjustable. Steelmama always provides you with the right solutio.